All right, y'all. Just got up here to Tennessee. Got the boat in the water. I'm gonna see what she'll do today. I ended up didn't put in at our place since a lot of current down there, and not sure how this thing's gonna do. So I come down to one of my buddy's place here. You can hear his dog barking, but I'm gonna try it out here. See, the river don't have as much current here, so see what we can do. My plan is I'm gonna go upriver and float that back down and fish along the way. All right, let's see what it'll do. All right, here we go, guys. Like I said, I'm gonna head upriver, see how it does. Float back down. I think I got the trolling motor set on like speed 3. Moving along pretty good, in the current. First thing I'm gonna try today is I got 2 poles rigged up. I got one that's got a crawfish looking crankbait on it, and the other one's got a black 4-inch rubber worm. So try them out, see which one they like. If not, we'll change around. Yeah, so far this thing's pretty stable. So good. It's moving through the water good. Come up probably about a half a mile. I'm gonna go on up maybe another half mile, float back down. See if we can catch some fish today. It's pretty chilly. Just about low 50s, upper 40s. But there's a bunch of rain forecasted for the rest of the week, so instead of hunting today when I got here, I decided to come on and try the boat out today because I'm scared I wouldn't have another opportunity. Go right over here, this bank over here on the left side of the river, where those rock ledges are. I'll start right in there, work my way back. There ought to be some smallmouth on those rock ledges holding up here. That one. Man, there's barely tapping it. Probably some bluegill or something. I swapped over this spinning bait here. Try this right where this current meets. This little shoal right here. See if I can hold myself here with this trolling motor. There's a lot of grass and stuff in here too. Been slow today, guys. But at least I'm getting to try this boat out. That was my main thing anyway, to do this today. So. Past my truck, I'm gonna go on down here a little ways and fish some of these treetops on the way back. I got it in the highest setting right now. You can see it's moving along pretty good. May not catch any fish today, but at least I got to try this thing out. See how I like it. I believe I'm gonna get a couple more made for my wife and my son, and get rid of the kayaks. Maybe keep one or two kayaks, but I think this is definitely gonna be the ticket for us. Using the float and to motor around in. I think it's gonna work out perfect. Man, this thing will move on in high gear. Wow. Alright, come down here. It's getting kind of late. It's already gotten 4:30, so I'm going to stop right in here and start working my way back up. Y'all know what I'm saying that, but I love this little boat. This thing is going to be nice. Alright y'all, I'm headed out. It's getting dark as you can see. Didn't catch any fish, but sure had a good time trying this boat out. Now I know what I need to do, you know, quieten this thing down, some modifications I need to make, and first thing I'm going to do is go ahead and get 2 more of these babies made and get ready for spring. So we'll be able to go anywhere we want on this river with these things. So it's going to be a plus for us. I just like this right here. I like the way it spins around quick. You can get in tight spots with it. Fish wherever you want to fish. And sit there and hold yourself. I may rig me up a anchor system on this thing, like they make those anchor trolleys for kayaks. And I think I can rig one of them up on this thing. Be good to go, because it'd be nice at times just to be able to anchor out, you know, and fish in one spot for a while. You know, even if you wanted to catfish some. So I don't know. I feel like this thing's gonna be great. So anyway, it's like I said, this one got dark, so I'm not far from the truck, so I'll head on out. Hey, I appreciate you guys watching. Sorry I didn't get any fish caught, but at least you got to see this boat in action. And hey, appreciate everything, like I said. And yeah, hey, you guys like and subscribe to the channel. Gonna be constantly putting new things on. Springtime rolls around, I feel like I'm gonna be in this boat about every other weekend. So get some fish caught on camera. We're gonna be hunting the rest of the week up here, and hopefully the rain holds off. We can get in there tomorrow. It looks like some storms coming in tomorrow, but that's tomorrow and Saturday. So we're gonna do our best to get in there and hunt. So anyway, like I said, appreciate you guys watching. God bless you. Like and subscribe, comment, and I'll see you on the next video.